Between 30 and 40, your body stops making, or at least starts to stop making, anti-stress hormones. So your cortisol is high. Cortisol is a beautiful hormone. It gives you energy. It keeps you alive. It keeps you from getting sick. It's helpful.
Sure.
So a lot of people try to suppress cortisol when they need it.
Right.
If you're stressed and it's a really tough work day or you lifted, your body better make cortisol so you don't have inflammation everywhere. It's just when it stays high, it's a problem. So what you want to do is just learn how to meditate, learn how to take some deep breaths, and then start supplementing with hormones. And you can take bioidentical hormone replacement, but you probably don't need it in your 30s. But what's missing is progesterone, DHEA, and likely pregnenolone. These are the 3 anti-cortisol, anti-stress hormones. And since your body produces less of them starting at age 30, by the time you're 40, it doesn't make very many of those.
Yeah.
If you take those, you need to get your lab test. Go to upgradehealth.com. A very affordable lab test for those things. If they're low, you can buy them over the counter. These are not drugs. These are just supplements. And you can say, I'm going to give myself the same anti-stress hormones I had when I was in my 20s and I could do anything. And then magically, you get your brain back. You get your body back. Your skin starts to glow. But mostly, you just feel your energy.